Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to put on hot rollers. So right now my hot rollers are heating up, and this is my first time ever using hot rollers in my life. Like, I've never used them before. I am pretty sure it won't be that hard, but I have like a lot of hair, so I'm hoping that, you know, I don't know, like, I do a good job, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just taking pictures, but still, like, I don't want them to fall or like the curl not to look bouncy. So yeah, I got the Conair one. I'll link it below. I'm also doing a vlog for my dog's birthday. So basically I booked a stay at a hotel near me that is very pet friendly, which is like so awesome because a lot of hotels are not pet friendly. So yeah, me and my dog Dior were at a hotel, and I bought some stuff to like throw a little party for him, just me and him. Yeah, it's just kind of like something I really wanted to do. I actually had it in my February like goals, like stay at a hotel by myself. So yeah, and like film for YouTube and stuff. So basically I'm here doing content all day, and my dog is celebrating my dog's birthday because it is his birthday on the 11th and I'm filming on the 10th. So he's turning 2. I'm like, oh my god, like, I just can't believe that he's like, you know, like, they're getting old. I was crying on my way here. Like, I was like listening to a sad song and I'm like crying. I'm like, oh, he's getting old, like, he's growing up. He's like my child, dude. So yeah, he's just here sniffing around. The staff is very friendly. They gave him treats, they gave him a birthday card. Like, it was amazing. I'm waiting for the hot rollers to heat up, and then we'll just get right into it. So I'm just gonna start off by sectioning my hair. It's pretty like, it's like 4 days without washing, which is good. I heard, I was looking at YouTube and people were saying that the longer you, like, the dirtier your hair is, the more the curls will hold. So that's what I really want. And I also saw that people start on the front like this, but I'm going to start I think I want to start in the bottom, because the bottom, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I just know that I'm just gonna try my best and see what happens. Let me just show you guys my setup right now. So this is like this is like my whole setup. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm going to do the bottom pieces first. I ended up being able to bring the hot rollers here next to me, because you're supposed to leave them while they're still hot, like while you're working with it. This is what they look like. They're all the same size. I'm gonna be using this Eva NYC dry shampoo. I think I've talked about it in a video before, but that's the dry shampoo I'm gonna be using, like, on my head. And then I'm also using the Macadamia Professional Flex Hold Shaping Spray. So I'm gonna spray this when the rolls are like on my head. And then this is a heat protectant slash primer. So it is the Eva NYC 10-in-1 primer, Main Magic. It smells so amazing. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the rolls on my head. You're seeing people just like tuck the ends as they're twisting, if that makes sense, so that the ends are not, they don't get that crease, because I want these pictures to come out cute, you feel me? I edit my photos. I basically do everything myself. I feel like I do a good job taking my pictures, so this is why I also booked a stay here, so that I can take my own pictures. Dude, I feel like my favorite part of everything, of doing everything, of getting ready, is my makeup. Like, this side is done, and you're only supposed to let them sit until this is no longer hot, like it's cooled down. So I'm guessing I'm going to leave them until my makeup it's done, because they say the longer you leave it in, the longer your curls stay. So now I'm gonna do this side, and I don't know how long I'm taking. Oh, well, it says I'm 17 minutes in, so which is good, because that means these don't take up much time. It's like a quick little thing. You leave it in and then you go about doing your makeup. They said that hot rollers are really they say that they're really good for people that don't want to put much heat on their hair, because it doesn't really get that hot. But the reason why the curls stay is because it's being held by heat, like this. It's safer for your hair. You're not burning your hair like on 410, you know. I do love curls, I just don't like putting heat on my hair. I feel guilty every time I use a curling iron, to be honest. I have 6 rolls left. I probably just need 3 for the top, so I have 3 left. The look that I'm doing for the Valentine's Day shoot that I'm doing is like dark Valentine, kind of like dark feminine energy, only because I just love black. I usually like Pinterest a lot, and I like have I go through Instagram pictures of pages that have that kind of dark feminine and light feminine aesthetic. That's really the gist of it. This is hard. This part's hard. Like, okay, so what I've seen people do is like they put their hair all the way up, but mine's is so long that I'm gonna have to bring it up this way, and I'm going to have to, this looks super funny, but I'm gonna have to put it like away from my face, if that makes sense. So like the rolls are going outwards. This one is like messy and it's so thick. Okay. This is really hard. I saw that you need to do it against your face, so like this, not away from your face. And you also have to tuck in the bangs. Okay. These are really heavy, so I'm hoping that they're not that heavy, but they just, I don't know, they're weighing on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. So yeah guys, I'll be right back. I'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna come back with my makeup done, and I'm gonna take the curls out so you can see how they look. I'm like praying it looks cute, but it's giving old lady. Okay guys, so yeah, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and I fixed my lighting. I think it looks really good. Dior's right here. He's looking at me. But yeah, I finished my makeup. It probably took like 45 minutes to do my whole face. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. And yeah, we're gonna see how it looks. You can see this one's like falling. Oh my god. My dog's gonna take it. Hey. I have to be very careful because my dog, Dior, he is bad. He will take them from me. So I have it right here. So this is one. I don't know if like me wearing black is I'm gonna take this off. Hopefully I don't get flagged. I'm gonna try to hide my top as much as I can. So like that. Okay, so this is one. Very cute. Alright. So I took off the black robe just so you can see like the curls. I wish my hair was in layers. If it was in layers, I feel like it would have looked 10 times more nicer, but I am scared of the hair salon. I feel like the real test is gonna be how I style them. Oh, my dog's looking at me do this. What's wrong? He wants it. He's looking at me because he wants me to make one fall by accident like I did earlier, and I'm not going to make it fall. It's like he manifests it to fall or something. That one was kind of hard to take out, but okay. I have 3 left on top. This one was not letting me do my makeup in peace, so I literally had to like fold it and then like push it that way. I had to move it out my face. Okay. Okay, so this is what we're working with. It's giving 80s blowout for sure. I feel like this is kind of like Victoria's Secret. Let me fix my thing. Okay, so this is it. I really like it, honestly. I think that it's like Victoria's Secret curls, you know, like that look. And I really wanted it a little bit more volume on the top, but it's okay. I'm not really mad about it. I feel like I can fix it. I hope they hold. I'm gonna get ready to take my pictures, and I have to like fix my outfits. But yeah, follow me on my Instagram to see the photos. Also follow me on TikTok. Everything will be linked down below on my social media accounts. So yeah, follow me guys so you can keep up, because I'm gonna have those pictures up very soon after I edit it and do all that. But yeah, this is my makeup. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Stay tuned for more videos and have a great rest of the week.